Hyundai's handsome and value-packed Tucson compact SUV may be overshadowed by the luxury Palisade and sprightly Kona SUVs, but like its siblings, it has a lot to offer. Its cabin is nicely laid out and offers plenty of convenience and luxury features, especially toward the more expensive end of the lineup where the limited and ultimate models take up residence. Buyers choose between a 164 HP 2-liter or a 181 HP 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine in either front or all-wheel drive. Fuel efficiency and cargo space aren't class-leading, but they aren't far off either, and the Tucson's other positive traits help to bridge that gap. On the road, the Hyundai's ride is smooth and its handling agreeable. A host of driver assistance features are standard as well. Engine, transmission, and performance. Two different 4-cylinder engines are on tap to power the Tucson, a 164 HP 2.0-liter or a 181 HP 2.4-liter, both team with a 6-speed automatic. In our testing, the base 2.0-liter delivered lethargic performance in all of our metrics. Unfortunately, we haven't sampled the upgraded 2.4-liter engine, but expect it to deliver slightly better acceleration tasks. Handling isn't all that noteworthy in the Tucson. It's competent but not sporty. Body roll is well controlled, the steering is well weighted, and overall the Tucson changes direction with confidence. It also offers a very smooth and refined ride, and the suspension soaks up all but the harshest bumps nicely. This lack of bias to either the sporty or floaty ends of the handling spectrum strikes us as the kind of balanced nature that crossover shoppers will find appealing. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The Tucson's two 4-cylinder engines earn EPA ratings that are merely average for this segment. Our all-wheel drive test vehicle was powered by the larger 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, which delivered 26 mpg, matching its rating from the EPA. Interior comfort and cargo. Inside the Tucson's dapper cabin, occupants are treated to well-built surroundings with user-friendly controls and a European-style design. It's a bit on the monochromatic side with the all-black color scheme, but opting for the beige upholstery adds some contrast. Cloth seating is standard, provided by Yes Essentials. Hyundai claims the fabric resists staining, repels odors, and reduces static. For those who prefer leather, the limited and ultimate models offer it as standard equipment. Fold the Tucson's rear seats flat and there is room for 22 carry-on suitcases with the seats up. It held 7. Infotainment and Connectivity. A full-fledged infotainment system with a 7.0-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto capability is standard. Both the limited and ultimate trim levels feature an 8.0-inch touchscreen plus in-dash navigation. Safety and driver assistance feature. Hyundai's compact crossover earns accolades from both the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety for its strong showing in crash tests. Newly standard driver assistance features such as automated emergency braking and lane keeping assist add-in. Extra layer of protection. Additional features are optional. Key safety features include standard automated emergency braking, standard lane keeping assist, available adaptive cruise control, warranty and maintenance coverage. Hyundai and its sister company Kia offer the most competitive warranty coverages in Automotive, including the longest powertrain coverage. The company also now offers complimentary scheduled maintenance that bests mainstream rivals such as Toyota. Limited warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 10 years or 100,000 miles. Complimentary maintenance covers 3 years or 36,000 miles. Thank you for watching the video. Please leave your comments, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more future videos.